Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Fight and conflict versus peace and understanding. Be like. 1. Instead of throwing words like punches, throw kindness like gift. Reason, friendly communication solves problems better. 2. Arguing is like a noisy alarm. Calm conversation is a snooze button. Reason, staying calm reduces tension. 3. Battle mode of teamwork mode on. Reason, cooperation creates better results. 4. Disagreement is a puzzle, not a buying match. Reason, problems can be solved together. 5. Before raising your voice, raise your understanding. Reason, listening helps people connect. 6. Winning an argument is less important than keeping respect. Reason, respect builds stronger relationships. 7. Compromise is meeting halfway, not losing. Reason, both sides can find solutions. 8. Peace is the ultimate power. Reason, self-control shows strength. 9. Don't fight every battle. Some problems need patience. Reason, choosing yourself saves energy. 10. A calm reply can defeat a heated argument. Reason, calm communication prevents bigger conflicts. 11. Trade anger for understanding. Reason, empathy helps people see different views. 12. Arguments create noise. Solutions create progress. Reason, focusing on solutions move things forward. 13. Listen like a comrades, not like a referee. Reason, listening improves communication. 14. A hands shake is better than a showdown. Reason, cooperation builds trust. 15. Choose a bridge over a wall. Reason, connection helps resolve differences. 16. Take a pause before a reaction. Reason, thinking first prevents regret. 17. Respect different opinions like different flavors of ice cream. Reason, differences make life interesting. 18. Peaceful solution is a victory for everyone. Reason, everyone benefits from understanding. 19. Kind words can turn enemies into teammates. Reason, positive communication creates better relationships. 20. Less fighting, more understanding because peace is always worth choosing. Reason, harmony creates a better, happier environment. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias!